Hi, I'm Matt Jackson. Welcome to Next Level Carpentry. With all the recent activity generated by the Apprentice Sawhorse video upload, I wanted to give new and longtime subscribers a channel update because some significant channel changes are taking place as I speak. Adding dialogue to videos is definitely not my strong suit, which is why I'm reading from this low-tech teleprompter. As the video title says, this video marks the end of an era for Next Level Carpentry and for me personally. The headline is that I'm closing shop, literally. In 3 days' time, I need to be moved out of this shop and house and into a new location. There will be some disruption to both life and YouTube activity, but when the dust settles in 6 to 8 weeks, things will settle into a new normal that's better all around. While I'll miss the comfort and familiarity of this shop that you all have come to know as I have, it's exciting to move into a new home and to a new shop. The transition will take some time, so I hope as viewers you'll understand the inevitable delay and disruption that will come with the relocation. All of these events coincide with the advance past the 30,000 subscriber milestone, which adds a whole bunch to the drama. It's been a very exciting year on so many levels. Just 1 year ago right now, the subscriber count at Next Level Carpentry was around 900 and total views of probably 100,000 or so. The surge of growth in both subscribers and views over the last year is what's encouraging and exciting to me, because at this rate I can see a transition to full-time YouTube channel building, which makes me believe, as I've said many times, the best is yet to come for Next Level Carpentry. I'm going to miss this old shop where I built all the cabinetry for this house when I built it in 1984. I did a very thorough restoration of a 1970 Chevy half-ton pickup in here. I rebuilt an insurance-totaled 1990 Toyota Celica in my spare time and have done a ton of custom cabinetry, furniture, millwork, and even random fabrication of custom steel handrails during the years I've been self-employed as a custom design build remodeling contractor. This very shop is where Next Level Carpentry began and has grown. As much as I'll miss the shop for being home base for all that work, I'm excited to move into a larger space, which I expect will be more conducive to video production work. The move isn't because of recent growth and development of Next Level Carpentry alone. I've got a long way to go before it becomes more than a hobby and actually supports itself. But it was definitely in mind when the opportunity to move presented itself. Even though the new shop will be more comfortable and usable, it's my full intent to continue producing videos like the recent Sawhorse video, the board stretcher video, various millwork videos, etc., that get deep into the weeds and show you how to develop and advance your carpentry skills. The only real change in equipment will be the addition of dust collection, something that's entirely new to me. Everywhere I've always worked on the jobs in the shop, I've just let the dust fly and swept it up, so a dust collector is going to be a big change. If this transition means some subscribers feel I'll lose touch with my audience and decide to move on, I want to thank you for being part of the journey so far. But to all those who've been with me through the rocky beginning here and choose to continue to follow as I work to build Next Level Carpentry into the original vision of a place viewers and subscribers can go to learn things so many typical DIY channels don't cover, I want to express my sincere thanks for the encouragement and support you've provided. I really wish I could promise that marginal audio, jump cuts, and compromised video were a thing of the past, but all I really can promise is that I'll do my very best to provide solid carpentry content and continue to strive to improve the overall watchability of these videos. I continue to be optimistic about what the future holds for viewers like you and the success of this Next Level Carpentry channel, because I truly believe the best is yet to come. There's more great videos in the pipeline, although there will be somewhat of a lull in uploads as I get the shop moved, set up, and the dust of a busy summer and life work schedule settles. As the first video from the shop, I'm planning to show how I make the jumbo pencils you see in these video productions. That'll be followed by the journeyman sawhorse style build project that I referred to in that apprentice style sawhorse video. And here's a spoiler for everyone who has the patience to watch this non-tutorial video. The journeyman's sawhorse build isn't the ultimate sawhorse design. There's a master carpenter style of sawhorse build video to follow. Those are truly one-of-a-kind sawhorses that are the ones I use on all my design build remodeling projects. Those horses, along with toolboxes you see in various videos, are all the marketing I've ever done, so I hope you'll enjoy seeing how to build them as much as I look forward to showing you how. So, from me to you and my analog teleprompter, I express my sincere appreciation for the time you spend watching videos here at Next Level Carpentry and for letting me know your thoughts. There's a core group of engaged viewers from near and far whose comments, interactions, encouragement, shared sense of humor, and chiding are responsible for the motivation to keep at it when it most seems like it's not worth it. I'm pretty sure you know who you are. Please accept my gratitude for being great people. You really do make the world a better place for being who you are. Well, I guess there's just one last job to do here. Now that this Next Level Carpentry studio is decommissioned, got to pull off the signage and head to the shop that's now going to become the new normal. Well, this Next Level Carpentry pencil has been kind of a stand-in as this channel has grown from 900 subscribers just a year ago to closing in on 34,000 today as I record this echoey video. I need to take this to the new studio. And it was set up with removable pins so that it can be used as a prop in videos. Notice the lettering runs this direction. As the carpenter's pencil is sharpened and the words start getting whittled away, the lettering on the other side of the pencil runs the other direction so that until the very end you can tell whose brand is on the pencil. This guy's a little bit dusty. Something you can't tell by casually watching the videos is that this lead is not just painted on. It's actually a piece of ebony glued to a piece of pine that fits airtight in the hole. And on this end of the pencil, there's a small piece of lead / ebony that completes the picture, and a scrap of wood inside connects the two to give the pencil a very realistic look. Think I can finish this without knocking that over? Let's find out. Now all I gotta do is remove the removable bracket and call it a day. Made this bracket specifically to use existing holes on that garage door so that when this day inevitably showed up, I didn't leave a bunch of holes in there to make the garage door less attractive for the new owners. And with the bracket down and the pencil ready to move, I guess that's a wrap. So to all you viewers and subscribers to Next Level Carpentry, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the new shop. Oops.